Iceland is home to the world-leading fish oil producer Lisi. Fish oil has been at the very core of Icelandic healthy living since the first Icelandic settlers harvested cod liver oil as a restorative food source. A third-generation family business with a focus on research and development and over 70 years of know-how. Lisi manufactures products in accordance with international quality standards. Respect for nature is key, and raw materials used in production are certified sustainable from pure Icelandic waters and a network of trusted suppliers. Bulk production focuses on pure, natural fish oil for human consumption and complies with all major pharmacopoeias and European regulations regarding environmental contaminants. In addition to a full range of bulk products, Lisi's state-of-the-art processing plants have the flexibility to produce specific products on request, including active pharmaceutical ingredient fish oil for some of the biggest names in the pharmaceutical industry. With a focus on sustainability, innovation, and flexibility of production, Lisi has shaped a reputation as a trusted global partner. Lisi, the world-leading fish oil producer from Iceland.